How do you exactly feel when you got felicitated by our respected Prime Minister?
I think मैं पूरी टीम में at least Modi supporter anyways.
Yeah.
He represents the whole country quite literally. So for a prime minister to have that extra confidence in himself कि नहीं इस बार इंडिया जाएगी, it will come with more than 100 minutes. मैं सुबह सुबह जाती हूँ तो सब रेडी हो रहे हैं, सबका कुछ ना कुछ गाने चल रहे हैं. मेरे स्टेबल में अलग ही हनुमान चालीसा बजरंग बाण चल रहा है जो मैं और मेरा घोड़ा सुन रहा है. मेरी ग्रूम फ्रेंड है वो भी इंजॉय करती है, उसको भी पता है कि दीप्ति को सुबह सुबह यही सुनना है. वो मेरे लिए मेरा पीस है.
एंड अब आप फॉरेन में इतना टाइम रहे तो वहाँ पे क्या चैलेंजेस रहे?
I think most importantly it's the training.
Okay. When you were qualifying for the Asian Games, have you ever thought if in case if I wouldn't get qualified, then what are you going to do?
For the first couple of months तो मुझे पता ही था कि I won't be able to do it. वो confidence, वो literally वो confidence ही नहीं था.
So अब आपका next vision क्या है? Olympics. Jai Mata Di guys. Today it's my pleasure to invite one of the most finest athlete, Asian gold medalist, Miss Sudipti Hazela, who has got gold in Indian equestrian athlete. Now, thank you so much for coming. Now, first of all, you tell me about your amazing sport so that we can carry on after it.
Basically, equestrian is something which is very different in our country. It's something which is picked up recently, and mainly it has three main disciplines. One of it being dressage, which is the discipline that we as a team went and got a gold. In short, it is like ballet. I always explain it that it is like a ballet and it is like a rhythmic dance between the horse and the rider, where we have 5 judges. They judge us according to every point and step that we take with the horse, and then we're judged on all those movements out of 10. And you have to just show a synchronized test which has to look effortless, that when we're actually in the competition it has to look like, the water is flowing, it's easy, it's simple. And that is how you gain the maximum marks or the maximum percentage out of it.
Let me simplify for all of you. First of all, equestrian athlete means she is in horse riding basically. And one of the most important point you should know that you should tell your age also. Like in what age you have got the gold medal?
21 years old. And this is something new because it's not just us, the equestrians, but the entire Indian, like all the teams, we have been the youngest Indian team to go to the Asian Games. Youngest Indian athletes ever to win a medal in the Asian Games, probably after independence the first time. And in the whole equestrian center in the world, the youngest group of team, because our maximum age was 25. The maximum age of athlete in our team was 25. So we were the youngest amongst all, not Asia only, but all over the world in our sector.
Okay, so like you have achieved success in such a young age. So you probably have started a much earlier.
It's been about 15 years now that I'm doing. 2007 is something when I did my first district show. Because just yesterday I was going through my profile, and for me it was also a shocker that it has been so long. And 2013 I did my first national, and 2017 around I did my first international, which was a kicking point, up to there is no stopping. Now you have to really go forward and get on.
Okay. So just tell me कि like इतने years तक same focus maintain करना for 15 years is such a huge duration. So what keeps you focused on that thing?
I think it's I heard this one interview from Virat Kohli, and he said, it's the flag that keeps you going. And you don't realize it until you're actually wearing the flag, and then you realize that I'm not just Deepthi Hazela, or I'm not just representing my state or my town or my city, my house, but India. When we go out now, we are identified as, it's Team India, it's Team Bharat who's come all the way here. So I think that is what it keeps us going, and everyone who's in this field or in this sport, I feel like, they're so, it's like a passion. It's, it started as a hobby. My father was the one to get me into this sport and introduce me to it. But now it's like a passion, every day it is, every time any person that, 4 people get along with this sport, they're only talking about horses. It is impossible for us to imagine a life without horses now. It's a sort of passion. Once you get into the, you realize it's so much more than just a horse and a rider. I take care of my horse like it's my own baby. from feeding to bathing to literally, so it is like my baby, and that, you know, that love, that will never go.
And what's the name of your horse?
The one that I took to the Asian Games is called Chinsky,
Okay.
and he's recently retired. This is the first time I've ever spoken about his retirement is here.
Okay.
And after the Asian Games, because I bought him for the sole purpose of the Asian Games, and he's done every bit of his life skills for me, and now it was his good time to retire, so now he's retired.
Okay.
But that was the horse that I took to the games.
Okay. So like जो ये गेम है, it's quite expensive game और आपने 2007 से स्टार्ट करा था. So what was the thought process of your parents actually? Like I have to put her in this arena.
You know, I think it's very एक narrow minded families होती हैं कभी कभार, you know, they say you know you have to study, you have to do this. Luckily my parents were not like this.
Okay.
And you know, बहुत opposite. At times it's pro, at times it's con about it. Because all our cousins and everyone, we are, you know, always told कि you know हमें भीड़ में नहीं रहना है, हमें कुछ अलग हटके करना है. And you know, हमेशा ऐसा होता है कि you know बच्चों को अपना freedom दो to choose their path, to choose their thing. But I think at times it's important कि you know the child should have that right kind of push. At the early age में, my dad was the one who introduced me to this sport. He was the one to tell me, okay, this. Okay, now he's taken a backseat because now that I have gone forward, now he understands. You know, now she knows. But he was the first one to push me, and you know, I always speak about this. कि I have had major issues, but you know, even my friends, all of my guy friends, you know, they really, अरे यार नहीं ये injury हो गई, now take a step back. But my dad, he was earlier in Air Force. He has a very straight mind about everything, so he's always pushed me forward. He always tells me कि you know, it's not that कि हमारा बेटा या बेटी, but you know, she's the one. Does not matter, male, female, does not matter. But गिर जाओ तो खड़े होना है. That is the mindset जो हमने बचपन से सीखा है. जब बचपन में लिटरली जब बच्चा गिरता है तो हम उससे ये नहीं चेक करते अरे क्या हो गया, you know, we try to make him laugh about it, and then okay it's okay, चींटी मर गई. ये लाइफ लॉन्ग जर्नी रही है हमारी कि कोई बात नहीं, गिर गए, there's some failure, it's like an arrow and bow. The stronger you pull behind, the forward it will go.
Yeah.
That, and even my mom, you know, it takes, everyone says it takes a village. It has literally taken a village to be where I am today, or to even have these dreams. You know, एक single person का dream नहीं हो सकता that I want to be this or I want to be that, because you know you have to have that sort of एक peace होता है when you have family support, when you have a whole team who's helping you at home, from my office to my dad's office to everyone in our society. You know, उनकी well wishes, उनकी prayers, everyone wants you to go forward. I think that is something which really always pushes you कि नहीं यार, you know, it's not that you're responsible, but you know you have so many well wishes. You're not just the one wishing for the goal. सब मिलके everyone's wishing for the goal. So I think that is something, you know, hold together, family support, not just mom, dad, but bua, chachi, cousins. Literally, like everyone comes together. Literally for my one medal, मेरे को छोड़ के मेरी पूरी family, and by family I mean literally first cousin, second cousin, everyone की प्रार्थना हर दिन मंदिर जाना was only किसी दीप्ति का goal.
Okay. So
I think that's
like
a very
at
big
this
thing.
point जितने ज़्यादा लोगों के विशेष और होप रहती है, so उतना pressure भी directly proportionate रहता है. So how do you handle at that time? Like इतने मुश्किल से now I'm in like main game of Asian Games. अब I have to perform.
You know, I was not a very confident child. Even in the beginning, मतलब कोई भी shows में, even small district, national or something, I can really freak out. But in this sport, I think on any sport, it gives you, you know, build up होता है confidence धीरे after one show or the other. But मैं इतना ज़्यादा, like even before the games, I was so freaked out. For every trial, मतलब it was evident on my face कि Sudeepti is scared. Sudeepti is freaking out. I get red anyways. Even if I'm standing, just chilling in the sun, I get red, like very red. So when I'm actually stressed, it is very obvious. But जब इतना करने के बाद you realize it ना कि now you know you have done everything in your power. Now if you lose it for that one thing कि यार हम stress हो गए और you know वो एक 0.1% नीचे हो गया, then it's a very big risk. So at that time my thing is, you know, we have done everything. Now that we go there, we have to just perform like any other day, and we have to give it our best.
Okay.
We had a lot of challenges while going. not just with the horses, but you know, it was the first time for the team to fly. It was my first flight with my horse.
Okay.
For
So like from
humans.
India you take it to.
So we're based in France.
Okay.
और बहुत ही complicated journey था for all the riders because at least 90% of the Asian riders are Europe based. Because अभी तो market is not that much grown. And over there, facility wise top, training wise top, competition wise they're A. So we're all based Europe, and from there we had to go to from France. Everyone, whoever was anywhere, they all had to come to Germany. From Germany we quarantined over there. From there, then we went to Belgium because that's the certified airport which China said yes to, thankfully.
Okay.
And then they flew from Belgium. They flew to, I think they took a stop in Doha, and then from Doha to China.
Okay.
So सारे horses के लिए it was the first flight, and it's a long flight. For a I mean हमारे लिए 4-5 घंटे की flight we feel like उठ के थोड़ा चले गए, and for them it's like this one box. तो move भी नहीं कर सकते, कुछ नहीं कर सकते, and then जैसे कार्गो में boxes होते हैं ना कि पूरी flight empty and then there are boxes, उसकी जगह में सारे horse boxes होते हैं. And then at one stretch there's so many horses that you know if one freaks out, all of them will freak out in the air. It is
Yes, for sure.
until and unless they landed. Probably हम सबको एक mini heart attack चल रहा था कि बस हे भगवान लैंड हो जाए, हे भगवान लैंड हो जाए.
Because they are the biggest assets of yours.
Everyone says it's 50-50. When you're riding, you realize it's 90-10.
Okay.
No matter how much we do,
What 50-50? Like they will freak out.
it's a partnership. You know, 50% is the horse and 50% is the rider. When you ride, you realize. For me, I can understand. I can say to my trainers, "आज मेरा mood अच्छा नहीं है," or "I'm not feeling well," or something like that. For them, you know, it's not like that. Well, they can't talk. We can only understand at one point in time कि हाँ भाई ऐसा हो रहा है. It's a wild yes.
Yes.
कि ऐसा हो रहा है या ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है, and they can freak out on the main day. You will never know until the last minute कि actually हुआ क्या था. Even the vet will be like, you know, medically everything is fine. Now I don't know what's going on in the head. You can never judge. So ये we're all prepared for it. Because on the second day I got eliminated. The third day, another teammate got eliminated.
Okay.
Luckily, our scores together was so good that we still rounded up to be on the goal.
Okay.
But you know, this is something. Yes, a sport that it's not predictable. You know, we have to be prepared. कि even after doing everything in our power, horse fittest हो, vet अच्छे हो, the caretaker of our horse, it's called grooms हो, एकदम ace हो, everything is good, feed, water. At the end minute, something or the other can happen. They can step on a stone, and then they will go lame. And then if they're lame, then you're out. They can scratch their own self. If there's fresh blood, you're disqualified. So this is all something that we're already prepared. So अब इसका stress लेके.
And I think it's not just an individual sports. Like you are not doing individual. You have got your horse also.
Yeah.
So उसको भी साथ में align रखना.
ये team का होना together. That one time. I have had it for about 2 years now, but only when we were in China, and then we have 30 seconds to go around the arena, and then we go inside. After the judges do a bell so that we know that the judges are prepared for us. In those 30 seconds, it's just you and your horse, and then you have to start the test. That time, you know, I felt it. You know that he said, you know, I have got this. We will do it. And I did not think about anything. For me. You know, my trainers were telling me, you know, we were clapping, yelling. For me, it was pin drop silence.
Okay.
I could not see anything. I could not hear anything. It was me, my horse, that arena.
And a vacuum.
Baki sub was like green screen to me कि भाई कुछ है ही नहीं. It's all blank. It's just me and my horse. And that is when you do that, I feel like realize होता है कि you know you have to just not think about anything. Go do your thing and you come out. And when I did the last halt, that video went very viral, and all my friends were like, "Sudipti, were you happy? Were you sad?" Like it's that sort of joy, you know. It's not me; it's him who did the job for me. So when it was coming out, it's like, okay, finally it is done. When I came out, my whole team was there, and my groom, she has been with me from the day one. She was crying only. She did not know that we had won, we have lost. She was like, "Sudipti, we made it. We did it, we made it," and that was our biggest achievement. You know, it was not my win collectively; it was my team's win.
Yeah.
That everyone worked hard for it, and everyone. ये fulfillment है कि you know कुछ इतना करने के बाद कुछ you know we were not going empty-handed. We were filled with joy that we did everything to make it happen.
That's so amazing. And how do you exactly feel when you got felicitated by our respected Prime Minister?
I think मैं पूरी टीम में I'm the biggest Modi supporter anyways.
Yeah.
And I talk very highly about it everywhere. I think when I had a trip planned with my friends to go somewhere else, and then we got a call that no, you have to come to Delhi for so and so days, for so and so, and you are gonna have to be here, this protocol, that protocol. So you have to be here this time. And this was not the first time for me to meet the Prime Minister. We got an award before, and we met him once there, but this time was different because he was going to individually address us, and we were not going there as just कि हमें उनका lecture सुनने जा रहे हैं, but he one-on-one knew what happened, what did not happen, because it was a whole Asian Games is a whole drama for India. When the team goes, there's a whole lot of politics, there's a whole lot of drama, this athlete, that athlete, this, that. So everyone was aware, and after this when we were going, and he was in the front row and I was in the second row. And literally I think that aura, that confidence, I don't think, see this is the biggest thing कि जब हम एक foreign land में हैं तो हमारा देश हमारे ऊपर पहले ये भरोसा करके बैठा हुआ है कि हम जीत के आएंगे। वो confidence I think बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, for someone to have that vision कि this year we have to make it more than 100 medals. I think ये अपने आप में, it was not, of course it is not easy कि इतने सारे athletes, everyone is working, India is working, China is working, so is Singapore, so is everyone. No, that's 1% or 0.1% that makes us cut out of the deal and say, we are different. We are someone कि नहीं भाई, this is everything और ये हमारा 1% extra है. And I think that is confidence. For this to have कि हम जाने से पहले ही सोच चुके हैं कि नहीं हम जीत के आएंगे. And I think that is something, when we met him, when he said, I knew you were going to win. I think वो एक Prime Minister से अपनी टीम के सुनना कि first he personally followed कि नहीं भाई, you guys are going, it is a big thing to be appreciated. And to know कि, is in so many great athletes, how he was personally in touch with Neeraj. I think it's a big thing. I think it is a big push for Neeraj. For a country, he represents the whole country quite literally. So for a Prime Minister to have that extra confidence in himself कि नहीं इस बार India जाएगी, it will come with more than 100 medals. And to push us, all these videos that came out, all the blessings that were coming out for us by India, I think it is a huge push. Because when we go there, we want to know कि हमें घर पे proof नहीं करना है at least. हम घर पे, where we have everyone who thinks of us like a ace. And हमको बाहर जाने में we have to prove ourselves there. So I think it was a big, that whole experience for him to come speak, the talk he did for us, I think it was all beyond motivational कि now with this अगर हमारे लिए इतना है तो हम आगे जाएंगे कि और कितना support होगा और कितनी हमारे लिए facilities होंगी.
And one thing I feel like we all become at some point obsessed with our things. Like whatever we are doing. People may think that we are normal or something like this. But in our heads, we are just, because I also feel the same thing, like if I got a urge to do something, to build something. So, वो जो obsession है उसको control कैसे करते हैं? मतलब for me like I just outburst whenever I don't like anything. So, how do you maintain it?
See, honestly, there is no right or wrong answer to this. Because, no matter how hard even we try, like back of the mind, there's not कोई switch off नहीं है इसका. Even when I am in my friends or I am with my cousins or I am with my family, मैं अपने phone पे कुछ ना कुछ घोड़े का वीडियो देख रही होती हूँ. Or I am talking with my friends, okay, what next show are you doing? Or I am looking at some of the other show that is going on because I feel very intrigued to watch these other idols. But there is no switch off about it, and I think, I won't say obsession, but this sort of passion, I think I don't also want to switch it off. I think that's what's keeping me going, because earlier, before I moved to France, my trainer, I was doing everything, but I was not having the scores very honestly. And for me, मैंने ये सोच लिया था कि यार, बहुत टाइम है, बहुत बड़े राइडर्स हैं अभी, it will take another lifetime to be where they are. And it's okay, I'm still just 18 or 19, I still have time. Next Asian Games कर लेंगे.
Okay.
And ये, this thought sinks in एक or the other time, this one athlete when they fail, it's easier to say that we will rise, but at times आपके दिमाग में चल रहा होता है, but I think if we switch that thing off, that obsession or that passion off, then you know we might sunk lower. So I think it's
Yeah, it's compulsory. Like without obsession, we'll be mediocre.
and my parents always tell me कि you know तुम घुन की तरह पीछे लग जाती हो,
हाँ.
and then ना तुम पागल हो जाते हो कि नहीं ये करना है तो करना है, वो करना है तो करना है. Like after China now I'm continuously speaking about Japan with my parents.
Okay.
And my parents were like, yeah, we still have time, yeah, we still have time. But I think, you know, even that thing, it keeps going, and I wish when we were all together, when combinedly we came as a team, because, see, basically a sport ऐसा नहीं है, the maximum team is the horse and me. This was the Asian Games, सबके लिए first Asian Games, horses, groom, trainers, सबके लिए first Asian Games. So when we actually came together as a team, you know, it was very difficult, and you know, when we did the trials and we did everything, then I had this कि नहीं अब जा रहे हैं तो गोल्ड लेके आएंगे. अब सिलेक्शन हो गया, क्योंकि पहले तो ये था कि सिलेक्शन ही नहीं हो रहा है, घोड़ा ही नहीं है, ट्रेनर्स, स्कोर डिफिकल्ट है, यू नो ऑल सॉर्ट ऑफ, कि इतना अनरीचेबल गोल है परसेंटेज लाना, और एकदम इम्पॉसिबल है टू गो टू चाइना और टू मेक इट टू द टीम. And as soon as the pages flipped कि नहीं भाई, now we're gonna go to the Asian Games. And I said to my team कि भाई दिन रात सुबह शाम एक ही चीज सोचनी है कि हम उस पोडियम पे खड़े हैं और हम चारों को मेडल मिल रहा है, इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं सोचना है. And quite literally, you know, I talk about this everywhere. The depth and the great thing about life is कि you think that it has already happened. Only you can make it happen. कोई दूसरा आपके लिए सोच के, कोई तीसरा आपके लिए सोच के नहीं. Only you think about it, that it has happened. And when we were at that podium, everyone was shocked and everyone was, you know, for me, and there's a video, I'm saying something to my teammate and I said, I told you this will happen. Because, you know, I lived it, I dreamt about it morning, day, night. मेरा winning movement से लेके कि मैं ऐसे करूँगी, वैसे करूँगी, you know, मैंने सब सोचा हुआ था, because I knew it in my head, and you know, I manifested it like crazy. I have a mental coach and she's from France itself.
Okay.
And you know, she told me, Sudipti, we have so many, because she does a lot of training for a lot of athletes in France as well. And she said, Sudipti, एक चीज होती है shadow practice जो cricketers करते हैं. Why do you think they do it?
What exactly it means?
You know, basically they see कि you know ball अगर ऐसी आ रही है तो हम ऐसा मारेंगे, ऐसी आ रही है तो ऐसा
Like I
मारेंगे.
heard it in boxing में भी करते हैं, shadow boxing वगैरह.
So you know, they imagine कि ऐसा होगा. So when it's coming, they're prepared for it. So when you are actually writing, जब तुम actually practice कर रहे हो, तुम imagine करो कि तुम actually China में हो. तुम imagine करो अपने आप को जब तुम सो रही हो, जाग रही हो, and you know ये 10 मिनट सुबह के उठ के मेरे लिए होते थे कि सुबह 10 मिनट उठ के अपनी चाय पी लूँ तो मैं अपने आंखें बंद करके सोच रही हूँ कि मैं चाइना में हूँ, मैं अपना टेस्ट एकदम अच्छा करके आई हूँ, हम जीते हैं, हम चारों पोडियम पे हैं, हमें मेडल आ रहा है. Because you have to really manifest it, and I think it is very strong. And I think that is what keeps you at peace. You know, वो obsession है, वो पागलपन है दिमाग में, but you're not going the wrong way to do it. But you know, वो inner peace है to make it happen. Otherwise, you feel like यार ये मेरे control में नहीं है, and I'm someone who, you know, now that I'm an athlete and I'm riding horses, when that 600 kilogram is under me and I am the one to control it, this is very obvious that I need things to be under my control. So I think that inner peace, to keep that down and to keep this on, I think that is very important.
And I also believe like manifestation really works.
Yeah.
जब जिसको अचीवमेंट मिलती है सिर्फ वो फील कर पाता है. लाइक जो नॉर्मल लोग रहते हैं वो सोचते हैं अरे सोचने से क्या होता है, बट बाइबल में भी जैसे लिखा है व्हाट्स कम इनटू योर हेड विल कम इनटू योर हैंड्स. सो लाइक मैनिफेस्टेशन में आपने और कौन सी चीजों पे काम करा? एक तो जो शेडो बॉक्सिंग है, उसके अलावा लाइक विजुअलाइजेशन.
That मतलब it's the same thing, you know, shadow boxing or visualization is the same thing. And I think this is something which, you know, it only comes when you're working with professionals.
Makes sense.
My dad used to keep telling this to me कि तुम ऐसा करो, ऐसा सोचो, and I used to keep saying अरे पापा ऐसा नहीं होता है, you know, बहुत stress होता है, I cannot get out of it. And when the professional came and told me into my life, this is common human behavior to never listen to your parents. This is common. And then when she told me, and then I did it for all my events, all my trials that I did before the Asian Games, and everything, that I make it into such hard reality कि नहीं ऐसा हो गई, कैसे नहीं होगा, ऐसा होगा ही. And you know, it has worked. मतलब when I used to tell this to my team, no, they call me the yogi of the team. कि सुदीप्ति has this weird sense of thinking. मैं सुबह सुबह जाती हूँ तो सब रेडी हो रहे हैं, सबको कुछ ना कुछ गाने चल रहे हैं, मेरे टेबल में अलग ही हनुमान चालीसा या बजरंग बाण चल रहा है जो मैं और मेरा घोड़ा सुन रहा है. मेरी ग्रूम फ्रेंच है, वो भी इंजॉय करती है, उसको भी पता है कि सुदीप्ति को सुबह सुबह यही सुनना है. एक शिव चालीसा करके है जो मैं सुनती हूँ, एंड वेरी इम्पोर्टेंटली देयर इज दिस आरती, गणेश आरती व्हिच आई लिसन टू. यू नो, वो मेरे लिए मेरा पीस है. मैं उसको सुन, मैं लिटरली if I'm somewhere out जहाँ, you know, at times you're not allowed to play music when you're in a public ground or something like that in this table, तो मेरे कान में वो चलता है एंड वो चलता ही रहता है तब तक मैं मेन एकदम वार्म अप तक ना चली जाऊँ. और उस समय यू नो वो चल रहा है मेरे कान में, बट मेरे दिमाग में मेरा कंपटीशन चल रहा है. तो इट्स लाइक अ स्विच ऑफ फ्रॉम रियलिटी टू इनटू माय रियलिटी.
एग्जैक्टली, वी ऑल हैव डिफरेंट रियलिटीज, राइट?
कि यू नो ये करना है, वो करना है, और बस यही करना है. एंड देन आई डोंट लिसन टू एनीवन, आई डोंट लिसन टू एनीथिंग. मैंने सोच लिया है तो बस ऐसा ही होगा. एंड आई थिंक दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि यू नो यू believe it so hardcore that you're living into it. You just don't think about it because you know लोग बहुत गलत वे में समझते हैं to manifest is to only think or to write or you know.
Yeah,
but
to taste something.
हाँ, even if you're looking at it, but you know half-heartedly नहीं. Whole solely mind soul you have to make it into a reality. कि नहीं ऐसा हो रहा है, ऐसा है, ऐसा होगा.
And then हम खुद से भी वो चीजें बोलने लग जाते हैं. Not in the front of people. But usually होता है कि like
that is very important.
And like you said about the music, like मैंने observe करा है कि जो जैसा म्यूजिक सुनता है उसकी पर्सनैलिटी बिल्कुल वैसी ही रहती है. Like if you, हाँ exactly, जो मैं एनर्जेटिक म्यूजिक नहीं सुन रहा है वो वैसे ही रहेगा, और जो सनी देओल के गाने सुनता है so like they'll perform that way. So अब जैसे जब आपका गेम था तो सबसे ज़्यादा एक कोई चैलेंजिंग चीज़ आपको क्या लगी जो सबसे ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग थी कि like आप लगा कि how could I get over it?
You know, I think it's not about, see, हमारे sport में this is the one thing that you know कोई discrimination नहीं है men and women, and I tell this कि ये कोई gender bias नहीं है, and the only Olympic gem of a sport जिसमें there is no, जैसे basketball में होता है women's division, men's division, इसमें कुछ ऐसा नहीं है.
अच्छा.
So we're all competing as one anyways. But I think you know the more higher you go, the more sort of people. Because आप तो अपने बारे में बहुत पॉजिटिव सोच रहे हो, but not everyone is your well wisher. And you know ऐसा कहते हैं कि the more up the ladder you go, the smaller, you know, literally मुट्ठी बराबर ही आपके वो दोस्त रह जाते हैं, आपके लोग रह जाते हैं. And I think you know उन मुट्ठी बराबर का एनर्जी और वो लेना बहुत easy होता है, because उनका विश्वास तो और आगे ले जा रहे हैं, but you know to deal with people who you know कि करके दिखाना है, करके आना है, and it could be anyone. It could be literally anyone, you know, because the more higher you go, the more haters you will have.
For sure.
And you know, people.
Because they know like what the hell they are doing.
Yeah.
घर पे भी स्कोल्ड करते हैं, चिल्लाते हैं, just look at that.
And you know, when you're in a sport, you will have so much competition. One will be good competition, one will be really unhealthy competition.
It happens.
And you know, जो लोग आपके साथ आपके सामने आपके दोस्त बन रहे हैं, maybe वो actually आपके दोस्त नहीं है. And if something, you know, this sport has taught me that when you're in competition, nobody is your friend. Literally nobody is your friend. And I think उस चीज से बाहर उतर के आना कि you know, because we're Indians, हमें तो ऐसा लगता है कि यार सभी हमारा अच्छा चाहते हैं, सभी हमारे दोस्त हैं, सभी मिल बांट के आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं. But you know, by the end ऐसा होता नहीं है. By the end, no matter how hard you try, कुछ लोग you know they will always be rooting कि नहीं हुए तुम्हारे साथ ऐसा. And you when you know about those people who are full of it, you know पता है कि ऐसा चल रहा है, and then you have so many administrative problems. Because see, एक athlete की life में it is very bound कि there will be failures in your show, and that is something आज नहीं तो कल I will cope up with it. But this mental trauma, this mental stress, I think this is something that every athlete goes through but never speaks about it. Because we are anyways, we are wanting to show ourselves कि हम बहुत strong हैं, हम बहुत capable हैं. Because हमें है वो competitive power कि you know we have to show that we are the best.
Yes, for sure.
And then we hide this कि नहीं भाई ऐसा नहीं है. But you know I think that is the most important thing that I had to get through is that mental thing. You know you have to avoid certain situation, certain people, certain administrative problems that are happening, because no matter how hard you're trying to fix it, it will not fix it.
Yeah.
You know, you have to just do your thing, get over it. You cannot please everyone, you cannot make everyone happy.
And one more thing, like when we talk about people, like I am also 21, but still what I have got in my head, like I have to make my circle very selective. अब लोगों को सब बुरा लगता है, जो चीज़ लगे I don't care, because जिसके साथ मैं बैठ रहा हूँ उसकी एनर्जी ट्रांस या वो मतलब एक वाइब्रेशन का रोल रहता है. बट एक लेवल के बाद इंसान सोचता है कि लाइक यू जस्ट नॉट लाइक ओल्ड वन और लाइक पुरानी चीज़ें, बट वी हैव टू मेक सम चेंजेस.
You know, I think it's
Yeah.
It's your people are your people. Not everyone has to have an opinion.
Yeah.
You might like to hang out or chill with the 80-year-old,
Yeah,
and that should not be a problem.
And they are the मतलब most of the valuable life lessons I got मैंने, क्योंकि same age में if they've got something, so like they should achieve something also.
Yeah.
So this is, and who is your role model basically? Like जिसको आपने benchmark माना हो कि like I want to be like her or him in your sports.
I mean, I have a lot of favorite riders, but then there is no benchmark, I would say. मेरा एक खुद का benchmark है. I want to do maximum Olympics that I can.
Okay.
Get maximum amount of medals for Bharat that I can.
Yeah.
And do the maximum out of my life, जो मेरी reach में है, जो मेरे हाथ में है. One of my all-time favorite riders is from Great Britain.
Okay.
She's called Charlotte Dujardin.
Okay.
And I think for a very long time, yes, you know, at times you think of people कि ये आपका role model है या भगवान है, and you know, but you know, and she's such a great rider, and I trained with her, I trained my horses with her, and I realized, you know, A, we're all people, B, some are too good, some are trying on the way of it, so best is to not limit ourselves with those benchmarks. All this is something I always say कि हमेशा we have to set a higher benchmark. But if something that I would say is, it's not in the sport, it's not in my sport or any sport, but Virat Kohli is someone I really look up to. He has had a lot of problems on the inside. So many times we have had conversations with him, and so many times that he has done interactions with athletes. He has had a lot of issues as well, and he has had a lot of, you know, paparazzi always has something or the other to say, but he always shines out.
Yeah.
And I think वो सबसे important. I think that is my sort of role model, and that is a sort of athlete I would say, you know, because he's so clear in his head. It's like he has a glass wall around himself. कि लोग बोलते रहें, कुछ भी करते रहें. I believe in myself. You know, and no matter what मैंने जो decisions अपने life में लिए हैं, I stand by it, and I will outshine everyone no matter what. And pitch में then he's Virat Kohli. By the end of the day, he's Virat Kohli. No matter लोग कुछ भी बोले, कुछ भी करें. By the end, he's Virat Kohli.
And एक जो point है जो spirituality की बात अपन करता है, so like उसका आपकी life में कितना role है?
I think काफी ज़्यादा. You know, बचपन में parents push करते हैं थोड़ा कि ऐसा करो तो ऐसा होगा. I think वो सबसे wrong है.
अच्छा.
Because बचपन में you know ये सुनना कि ऐसा नहीं करोगे तो भगवान ऐसा नहीं करेंगे. भगवान तो anyways करेंगे, मम्मी पापा की तो सुनेंगे नहीं. तो उनको जो सही लगेगा वो तो वही करेंगे. So you know, the bad thing is कि बचपन में ना पेरेंट्स ये डराते हैं कि पूजा नहीं करोगे, अगरबत्ती नहीं लगाओगे तो अच्छा नहीं होगा. फिर यूथ थोड़ा रिबेल टाइप का है.
हाँ, उसी के कारण
उनको लगता है कि ऐसे कैसे नहीं होगा. Then they start to believe कि there is no divine, which is ridiculous. I mean, literally there's facts and papers on it, so you cannot go on saying like no ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
And there's something that you can feel.
Yeah.
You can't explain it.
And you know, to say कि ऐसा करो तो होगा, नहीं करो तो होगा, it's best, you know. My parents never pushed me at a certain age that they did. Then they never did. And now मेरे को घर में literally I have this tag कि भैया ये हमारी योगी बाबा है. Because until and unless you go through, it's, you know, it's very simple. जैसे आप अपने difficulties और अपनी roads के through कुछ जाते हो तो ही आपको समझ आता है. खुद गिरोगे तो ही खड़े हो पाओगे टाइप सिचुएशन है ये. तो you know, ये आपको खुद को believe करवाना पड़ेगा. And ये, you know, any sort of spirituality, any sort of anything, it has to come from within.
Yes.
ये आप जितना पुश करोगे ना और फोर्स करोगे बच्चों को तो ही लगेगा कि नहीं नहीं अब तो मैं और ऐसा नहीं करूँगी।
हम्म,
चॉकलेट जैसा सिचुएशन है, नहीं खानी है तो अब तो खानी है,
हाँ।
तो बेटर है टू कम लेट इट कम आउट ऑफ देयर ओन बिकॉज
हम्म,
इट इज ऑल कनेक्टेड।
बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा हायर पर्पस होते हैं, सो वी नीड समथिंग लाइक कि अब उसको लोगों तक डिस्क्लोज भी नहीं कर सकते क्या विजन है, सो एटलीस्ट कुछ तो बैकिंग हो, लाइक आइदर यू विल टॉक टू द यूनिवर्स
या
बिकॉज विल गेट थिंग्स फ्रॉम इट। सो अब जैसे अगर अपन बात करते हैं आपकी गेम्स वगैरह से रिलेटेड, सो अब आपका नेक्स्ट विजन क्या है? ओलंपिक्स?
डेफिनेटली ओलंपिक्स। दिस लाइक आई सेड मेरा पूरा रिटायर हो गया है,
हाँ।
तो आई कांट डू द पेरिस ओलंपिक्स नॉर वाज इट इन माय टाइम टेबल कि आई हैव टू डू द पेरिस ओलंपिक्स।
ओके।
आई फॉर अ फैक्ट मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट मैं बहुत ही कैलकुलेटिव और बहुत ही आई नीड टू हैव प्लान्स, एंड मैंने पहले ही सोचा था कि पहले 2 एशियन गेम्स एंड देन ओलंपिक्स का ट्राई, बिकॉज एक पाथ मिल जाए, एक स्टैंडिंग हो जाए, एक बिकॉज इन दिस स्पोर्ट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज कि आप सीख रहे हो हर एक उससे, दैट एवरी टेस्ट दैट वी डू इट मेक्स इट काउंट। तो 2 बड़े इंटरनेशनल शोज करके और 2 एशियन गेम्स करके यू नो इट इज गिविंग मी अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस। और anyways Olympic riders are 53 54 we're all
Okay.
competing in the same arena,
लाइक
The-
कितनी एज तक होगा?
yeah, from 18 to whatever
Okay.
age, it's all in the same arena.
लाइक अभी अपने जो टेनिस प्लेयर हैं,
Yeah.
I forget his
Rohan.
name. Yeah, so like he's also got a bit
Yeah.
aged, but still he has got the.
So it's for us उसके लिए कोई age barrier भी नहीं है, you know it is all the same anyways, and उनके पास उनका experience और उनके life lessons और उनके एक Olympic, you know people are coming 3 Olympic medalists 4 Olympic medalists, उनके सामने to all together come and just perform अपने आप में वो एक experience है। तो you know next goal is anyways Japan, do really well in Japan, come back with flying colors again,
Yeah.
and then I want to do the LA Olympics, and after that of course more Asian Games, more ये, but on this main path is कि जापान से लेके LA के बीच में do maximum because we have world champions, world championships, do world cup, and then you're taking a step forward. You know एक एशियन गेम से बेस बन गया, एक एशियन गेम और, and then now okay let's go for the World Cup, let's go for the World Championships, because एक प्लेटफॉर्म बन जाए then you have a little it's easier, I believe.
Yes, and then one more thing I have noticed कि like अभी आपने एक चीज बोली थी भारत, like कुछ चीजें ऐसी लगती है कि जो चीज एकदम टच करती है, like जो अभी यूथ कंसर्न है वो हमेशा रोता रहता है कि गवर्नमेंट ने ये नहीं करा है, सिस्टम में ये नहीं, अपॉर्चुनिटी में ग्रोथ नहीं, बट दूसरी तरफ अपन इसको पॉजिटिव भी ले सकती है, व्हाट वी आर डूइंग फॉर इट।
I think you know and not to put anyone down, but पूरे वर्ल्ड में सेम ही हालत है,
ओके।
लिटरली हर जगह यूथ परेशान है, तो ये सिर्फ अपनी कंट्री नहीं है, और यहाँ से बैठ के when you see the grass is always greener, दूसरे की थाली में घी हमेशा डाला दिखेगा। I have lived in Portugal, France, London for years now, like settled for years now. Everywhere youth is की system कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, but you can't keep blaming the other person for your own lifestyle choices, for your own ups and downs. वो तुम्हारे लिए सिर्फ एक फैसिलिटी बना देंगे, करना नहीं करना, कितना करना, कोई लोग 100% करते हैं, कोई लोग 25% करके रोते हैं, दिस इज योर टेक। एंड आई थिंक यू नो यूथ को आगे जाने के लिए सिर्फ यूथ ही कुछ कर सकता है, नो सॉर्ट ऑफ गवर्नमेंट से रोने से या कुछ करने से। 100% हमारे लिए सारी सुविधाएं होनी चाहिए, 100% फ्यूचरिस्टिक अप्रोच होनी चाहिए, एंड 100% द यूथ एंड द गवर्नमेंट शुड गो हैंड इन हैंड। But then once they do at least 10%, then उस 10% का तो maximum 100% उसको juice out करो, फिर तो बाकी 25% के लिए लो।
Makes sense.
And this is everywhere in the world. This is everywhere because हर दिन हर इंसान बढ़ रहा है और हर इंसान सीख रहा है। तुम भी सीख रहे हो भाई, सरकार भी सीख रही है। Just give it time.
Exactly.
एक दूसरे को कोसने से, blame game करने से किसी का फायदा नहीं हुआ है। आखिरी में it's you versus you.
And if you are capable, you eventually grow यार, मतलब nothing can stop us.
Instagram में कोई viral with the vada pav girl, उसको
हाँ।
क्या सुविधा है?
Exactly.
उसको क्या सुविधा है? Literally उसको क्या, मतलब I open my Instagram and it's only the vada pav girl.
Yeah.
She's happy, she's shining, she's glowing out of her skin कि भैया I'm doing everything.
And if you are capable, you become viral. मेक सेंस। एंड अभी जो डॉली चाय वाला था, लोग लाइक उन्हें करते लाइक हाउ उसके लिए भी नेगेटिव इन्फ्लुएंस और वो सब चीजें आती, बट स्टिल ही हैज गॉट समथिंग।
He's got something. Bill Gates आके
हाँ।
चाय पी के कह रहा है whatever he is doing does not matter now. If he is reaching that sort of audience, does not really matter कि भैया वो क्या कर रहा है, क्या नहीं कर रहा है, वो कैसे चाय बनाता है, कैसे चाय नहीं बनाता।
एंड अब आप फॉरेन में इतना टाइम रहे तो वहाँ पे अब आप उससे रिलेटेड कि वहाँ पे क्या चैलेंजेस रहे, वहाँ पे क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज थी जो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा बेटर लगी?
I think most importantly it's the training.
ओके।
Because I always say कि यार ये स्पोर्ट हमारे कल्चर में इतना इंक्लूडेड है बट बहुत पिछड़ा हुआ है। मतलब हमसे ज्यादा घोड़ों के साथ किसी का इतिहास में लिखा हुआ है
स्टिल,
बट फिर भी हम इसमें काफी पिछड़े हुए हैं। Which is something, चलो हमारी क्लाइमेट भी थोड़ा चैलेंजिंग है घोड़ों को लेके, यूरोपियन क्लाइमेट इज लिटिल बेटर, बट अब ग्लोबल वार्मिंग के कारण यहाँ पे 37 डिग्रीज, फ्रांस में भी मेरे को सेम टेम्परेचर 37 डिग्रीज ही होता है। बट आई थिंक वहाँ इतने टाइम से इतना अच्छा कंपटीशन से भी मतलब है दे आर ग्रोइंग, और इट्स द सॉर्ट ऑफ 100 साल से उनके मतलब माय ट्रेनर्स वेयर आई ट्रेन द यार्ड इज 100 इयर्स ओल्ड।
ओके।
तो मतलब उनके यहाँ तो पुश्तों से भी चलते ही आ रहे हैं, उन्होंने कंटिन्यू किया। आई थिंक हमने कंटिन्यू नहीं किया
लाइक यहाँ तो किंग्स वगैरह, मतलब यू हैव गॉट ऑल दिस,
मतलब क्योंकि हमसे ज्यादा पुराना कोई है नहीं, तो हमसे ज्यादा घोड़ों में किसी का वो हो नहीं सकता। बट स्टिल आई फील कि अब्रॉड में द ओनली थिंग इज कि हमें कंपटीशन बहुत अच्छा है। एंड बिकॉज यूरोपियन नाउ मैं फ्रांस में हूँ, आई ड्राइव टू जर्मनी, आई कैन कम्पीट इन जर्मनी, आई ड्राइव टू बेल्जियम, आई कैन कम्पीट इन बेल्जियम, फिनलैंड, anywhere for the matter of fact. I can drive to UK. UK के लोग हमारे यहाँ आते हैं, यूरोप आते हैं compete करने. That connectivity. एशिया में थोड़ा I think is a little cut. Because Doha has really good facility, Saudi has really good facility, but to go there again, flight लेना, ये करना, वो भी इतना easy नहीं है. Because Asia is much bigger, much larger. But ये connectivity भी इतनी नहीं है. पूरे यूरोपियन कॉन्टिनेंट अपने आप को एक मानता है, हम अभी अपने आप को एक नहीं मान पा रहे, जो हमारी बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है। आई थिंक वो एथलीट्स के लिए बहुत होता है, क्योंकि वहाँ आपको मैं सारे यूरोपियन राइडर्स से, सारे यूके के राइडर्स से कम्पीट करूँ तो दे गुड बेल्जियम राइडर्स, जर्मनी हु हैज द टॉप राइडर्स, आई एम कम्पीटिंग विद देम, एंड व्हेन यू कम्पीट विद दोस पीपल तो आपका यू आर गेटिंग जज्ड विद ओलंपिक राइडर्स कि भाई आई एम इन द सेम अरीना, दिस लेडी हैज गॉट ओलंपिक गोल्ड and I want to do that, and we're in the same arena. Okay, we're this many percentages away from each other. That is a big push. I'm this many percentage, and मुझे सिर्फ इतना करना है और इतना करके okay I can do this इतना, तो एक खुद का evaluation, you can get better. वहाँ contacts, वहाँ के everyone is so forward looking to this sport, and then the sort of passion. एक event में एक system type होता है कि जब show पे गए हैं तो सबने स्टेबल्स, अपने स्टेबल्स को एंड सबको 2 सेकंड्स में इट इज ऑल फुल्ली क्लीन एंड शाइनिंग, एंड जैसे ही शो खत्म हो एवरीवन वांट्स टू गो बैक होम, सो इट्स लाइक सच अ फुल प्रोटोकॉल में रहता है। आई ऑलवेज से कि ये जो घोड़े वाले लोग होते हैं इनकी लाइफस्टाइल ही कुछ और होती है, इनके साथ रहना समझना, इट इज वी आर ईटिंग ब्रीदिंग 24/7 when I'm in the shower, when I'm eating, when I'm sleeping, waking up or anything, we're only thinking or talking about ourselves.
And one more thing I would like to add, like एक अच्छे जगह मैंने सुना था, if you are a worker then you will work for 8-10 hours or let's say 12.
Yeah.
But if you want to be a ruler, then you could work for 24 hours also, because you just keep on thinking about the patterns, like how, and what about the distraction part? Like how you keep yourself focused? Like we've all got 4-inch destructive device in our hands, which hold no significance, but we have made it compulsory to our lives.
I think मेरे पास ना टाइम ही नहीं होता। Quite literally when I'm here, मेरा screen time is much more than my screen time over there.
Okay.
My day starts.
So what's your screen time over there?
It's when I come back home. It's Netflix और वो TV पे चलता है, phone पे तो चलता नहीं है। So and only because I have grown up in a big family, so I don't like to live alone so much. I mean, I am living alone for years now, but I don't like to. एक background में it's my favorite show, Friends. I don't know कौन सा episode, कौन सा season, but वो background में चलता रहता है when I'm cooking, cleaning, when I'm watching. 24/7 मेरा वही चलता है, खत्म हो जाता है तो season 1 वापस शुरू हो जाता है.
Okay.
But it's just so that कुछ एक noise रहे मेरे, I'm not alone in the house, एकदम सन्नाटा नहीं लग रहा है घर में. But otherwise bare minimum, when रात में when I'm sleeping I take a nice large cup of my tea. This time I'll go through my Instagram. That is also all.
That's why we also got so much of the.
It is the only thing, and that takes good amount of 25 minutes, which sort of is bad, but it's quite hooking when you're on Instagram. But otherwise, you know, when सुबह 7 बजे उठ के जाना ही है, I can't be like कि चलो कर लेते हैं. When I'm on a horse, there is no way I want to use a phone क्योंकि अगर घोड़ा, my horse can get spooked by a bird also.
Okay.
And they might be 600 kilograms big and large, but they will get flipped even that like this flower is going around with the wind और पत्तियाँ हिल रही हैं, पेड़ हिल रहे हैं, कुत्ता चला गया है, वो डर जाते हैं. तो ये रिस्क तो मैं anyways नहीं लेती हूँ कि मैं फोन चलाते हुए और अपने घोड़े पे वॉक करा रही हूँ या कुछ, या तो फोन टूटेगा या तो मैं टूट जाऊंगी, either one will happen. But otherwise also 7 से 7 का एक proper वो है. And then when you come home, you have to cook, you have to take a shower, you have to clean. When you're living abroad, ऐसी कोई luxury तो है नहीं life में. And Sundays.
Yeah, abroad से लोग luxury को associate करते हैं, like here we were तो बहुत relax होंगे or something like that. But
बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
It's an illusion.
Yeah,
जो यहाँ
it
से.
really is an illusion, quite literally. यहाँ रह के it is ultra luxury for me. मतलब मैं यहाँ आती हूँ और मैं गाड़ी नहीं चलाती हूँ, मेरा सबसे बड़ा सुख होता है. वहाँ you know because you're frustrated, you're angry. सुबह आप ही उठ रहे हैं घर, you know at times you just leave your clothes कि हाँ घड़ी हो जाएंगे और चले जाएंगे, खुद ही करना है. कितने भी frustrated हो, you're sick, you're not happy, you have to still get up and get on with life. So I think that is the only thing, you know, distractions, phone and distraction might be a lot. Not just this, for me, my biggest distraction is that I miss so much things back at home. I miss Holi, Rakhi, Diwali.
Yeah.
I missed my own sister's reception. So मेरे लिए तो those are the sort of distractions. But then by the end, when you keep going and when you know you achieve something so big, makes it all worth
And
it.
I think only stupid people take care of all the festivals. Because if you have achieved something, तो उसी दिन दिवाली है, उसी दिन होली, उसी दिन सब चीज़ हो जाती है.
You know, as much as we miss it, and I celebrated over there as well, happily. And of course, you know, एक connection है. For me, तो ये festival राखी है, you know, हम बचपन से इतना साथ रहे पहले, तो वो पूरा त्योहार नहीं, वो एक अपने आप में एक जश्न टाइप होता है हमारे घर में. तो 10 दिन की दिवाली होती है हमारे यहाँ. इनके यहाँ खाना, उनके यहाँ खाना, ये वो, you know, रात में कजिन्स बैठे हुए हैं, कार्ड्स चल रहे हैं, घर वाले फैमिली गेम्स चल रहे हैं, सब बैठ के, you know, अपने आप में एक पूरी अलग ही लाइफस्टाइल चेंज हो जाता है. बट देन व्हेन यू आर देयर, तो एक वो वीडियो कॉल भी आ रहा है ना, इट्स वेरी डिस्टर्बिंग. क्या मैं यहाँ अकेली बैठी हूँ. व्हेन आई डिड माय फर्स्ट ट्रायल एंड मैं पहली बार एशियन गेम के लिए क्वालिफाई करी थी, और उसी ड्यूरेशन में मेरा घर आने का था और उसी टाइम मेरा बर्थडे था. आफ्टर प्रॉब्ली 7 to 8 years मैंने अपना बर्थडे पहली बार अपने मम्मी पापा को साथ या अपने भाई बहनों के साथ सेलिब्रेट किया होगा. It's the worst time to have a birthday summer vacation. बचपन में स्कूल में anyways you can't celebrate it.
On which date you have?
May 10th.
Okay.
And usually we have summer vacations. April to May and DC में हमेशा there is 2 months good summer vacation. And those 2 months अगर summer vacation है तो I am abroad training. क्योंकि वही मेरी chance है train करने के लिए. And usually it's on कोई I had this big thing that I will do it when I am 18, when I will do it when I am 21. सारा सब जा चुका है. जिस दिन मैं आई थी उस दिन इतना लोग इकट्ठे थे. उस दिन मैंने केक काटा, मैंने कहा आज ही मेरे लिए मेरा बर्थडे हो गया. पटाखे चल रहे थे, मैंने कहा दिवाली भी हो गई, भाई बहन है, राखी भी हो गई, बस खत्म. बिकॉज यू कांट हैव एवरीथिंग इन लाइफ.
एंड जो वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस की बात करते हैं, मुझे वो कंसेप्ट इतना इल्यूजन लगता है कि लाइक फिर हो ही क्यों हो अगर तुम्हें सब चीज़ बैलेंस करनी है. सो वी कांट इवन बैलेंस इट आउट.
You know, I have this really weird conversation with my cousins because वो भी बोलते हैं कि ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता, ऐसा होता ही नहीं है. But I think you know हमारा interpretation ही गलत है उसके लिए. I feel like when I'm at work, that is my work. When I come home, then that thing is switched off. Then they know I am on vacation, I am home. They will contact me when it is urgent. So if I'm home, then I'm home. तो मेरे हिसाब से ये work life balance है.
हाँ.
Because हम उसका एक you know एक impossible illusion लेके चल रहे हैं. क्योंकि मैं इधर 8 घंटे की फ्लाइट में यहाँ हो सकती हूँ या तो वहाँ हो सकती हूँ. सेम फॉर एवरीवन हु इज लिविंग हियर.
एंड इसमें जो मेन कंसर्न रहता है, जो लोग अपना स्केड्यूल बनाते हैं, कितना टाइम घूमने के लिए, इतना टाइम फ्रेंड्स के लिए, इतना ये वो. सो अभी भी मतलब इस चीज़ को बाइफरकेट वो करना है. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल.
गुड टू फैक्टर इन एवरीथिंग. इट इज गुड टू हैव. हम पूरी टीम ने एक वेकेशन लिया था we never talked about it कि इस दिन को जाएंगे उस दिन को जाएंगे, सोचते कि भाई जीत के आएंगे, and this is how we always spoke about it ना. Even when I was speaking to my parents, जब हम जीत के आएंगे, you know, जब हम जीत के आएंगे तो हम ये करेंगे, जब मैं वहाँ चाइना से मेडल लेके आऊँ तो हम ये करेंगे. But you know, it is sort of important to also blow off some steam. I feel like at times आप अपने आप को प्रेशर, क्योंकि ना वो प्रेशर कुकर थ्योरी है, फिर वो फटता है. या फिर गर्म चीज को अपन मिक्सी में घुमाएंगे तो वो फटेगा. ऐसा पॉइंट है. It is always good to factor in, and when you feel like आप प्लान करके चलो और फिर आपका प्लान वर्कआउट नहीं हुआ, फिर आप उसको लेके और स्ट्रेस हो जाओ, you know, ऐसा नहीं होता. Sometimes you have to be prepared कि हाँ, you know, A, B, C thing is planned, D it also might not work out.
But फिर इसमें वो भी रहता है like plan and plan B. If you have got this,
I think always होना चाहिए, and plan B should be कि it might 50% workout शायद ना करे हमारा plan है.
but still we should be focusing like plan B जब होता है तब फिर chances है कि we'll shift to the plan B.
Yeah, but my point is कि plan B ये होना चाहिए कि it might not work out. ये reality के लिए हम prepared रहें, मेरे हिसाब से ये plan B है.
So just tell me one thing, when you are qualifying for the Asian Games, have you ever thought कि if in any case if I wouldn't get qualified, then what I am going to do?
For the first couple of months तो मुझे पता ही था कि I won't be able to do it. वो confidence, वो literally वो confidence ही नहीं था. वो ट्रायल दे के, वो भी इस साल नहीं, फिर कोविड आ गया. कोविड shook us so badly because इतना इन्फ्लेमेशन हॉर्स मार्केट में और इतना इन्फ्लेमेशन सबकी ट्रेनिंग में, इट वाज अ शॉकर फॉर अस. यू नो, इट इज इम्पॉसिबल. एंड देन शो क्वालिटी इफ यू आर नॉट प्रैक्टिसिंग, इफ यू आर नॉट राइडिंग लिटरली एवरी डे, नो मैटर हाउ हार्ड आई वर्क इन द जिम. जब मैं 4 घोड़े चलाऊंगी, इट विल गिव मी मोर स्ट्रेंथ देन एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ वर्कआउट. तो व्हेन वी आर नॉट डूइंग दैट, तो कॉन्फिडेंस और लो कि यार इतने महीने घर पे बैठे हुए, अब क्या करेंगे. एंड दैट टाइम आई केम बैक होम for something and I could never fly back. And when I did fly back in France, मुझे वहाँ कोविड हो गया. And then I was house arrested. And वहाँ कोविड होना is the worst. You don't know what to do. It's not like कि medicines घर आ जाएंगी, सब करना है, वो भी आपको खुद ही लेने जाना है. I'm living alone. It's not like I can depend on someone. यहाँ तो अपन फोन कर सकते हैं, किसी को कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. बहुत बहुत सुविधा थी यहाँ पे कायबुल से कोविड के लिए. You know, there were so many people, इतनी हेल्पलाइंस कि आप हमें फ़ोन करो, आप परेशान हो तो people were going out to give, you know, water, food and everyone. पड़ोसी के लिए भी किराना लाना, सब करना. ये सिर्फ हमारे इंडिया में. वहाँ तो if I'm out of food then मुझे ही जाना पड़ेगा, सब मुझे ही करना पड़ेगा. You know, but ये सारी चीज़ें, ये थॉट था कि यार अब तो इतना सेटबैक हो गया है, अब क्या करेंगे. Even after that it was very difficult. मैं अपने घोड़े पे इतने टाइम बाद बैठी थी. And when you're competing in Europe, वो लोग pros हैं at it. तो इतने टाइम ड्यूरेशन के बाद जाना and then compete करना. Couple of months I thought it is very impossible dream. And I told my parents that I'm not chasing it anymore. Because sometimes वो इतना हावी हो जाता है ना कि आप, I used to actually forget everything. मतलब I used to mess up my show so much. And then when I used to come out, my trainers were like, "What did you do?" And I used to go blank. I don't know. तो इतना भी अपने आप को परेशान करना, I don't think it's right. You're going blind in the biggest thing that you're doing in your life. कि भाई ये एक तो important चीज़ है. And then you're coming out and you're giving this vague answer to your trainers. Then you have to, you know, look. That's when my trainers told me that Sudipti, you're so stressed about the game that you're forgetting कि उसके पहले की जो journey है is important.
सही बात.
It is one step at a time. Literally cross the bridge when it comes. You want to go, that is a aim. It is good. But short term aim को achieve करना बहुत जरूरी है. And to have that peace. That is when I started speaking to my trainers much more openly. They told me that you need to have a mental coach. You need to not only train physically but mentally. Because that muscle सबसे strong है हमारी, and to train that muscle is the most important thing to win in life.
Yeah, I was just recently looking for a World War II case study. So I was just like shocked, like Hitler, he came from very small background.
Yeah.
जिससे इसे ग्रो हुआ. तो मतलब ये रहता है कि like लोग बोलते हैं कि उन्हें रशिया और ब्रिटेन को इन्वाइट नहीं करना था जब इतनी जगह कंट्रोल कर चुका है. बट एक चीज में समझ में आती है कि वो जब उस पागलपन से ही उसने उतना अचीव करा था. सो उसी पागलपन से वो और ज्यादा अचीव करना चाह रहा था. सो एक पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे ऐसा होता है कि लाइक लोगों के समझाने से भी कुछ नहीं फर्क पड़ता है. वो मेंटली इतना ज्यादा एब्जॉर्ब और सेल्फ हिप्नोटाइज हो जाता है इंसान.
आई थिंक उस बबल में हम इतना हो जाते हैं कि यू नो कोई कितना भी समझाए, कोई कितना भी बोले, इट विल नॉट अफेक्ट अस। फिर तो हमें वो करना ही है, तो मतलब करना ही है।
We are like self-absorbed with the
Yeah.
things. एक कंसर्न और पेरेंट्स का रहता है कि लाइक यू आर इन द स्पोर्ट्स फ्रॉम द बिगनिंग, बट जो बच्चे किसी भी दूसरी फील्ड में जाना चाहते हैं तो पेरेंट्स वगैरह यूजुअली बोलते हैं कि लाइक यू शुड फोकस मोर ऑन स्टडीज और स्पोर्ट्स कम खेलो। बट अगर इंटरेस्ट है तब वो खुद को कैसे बैलेंस आउट कैसे करेगा इफ पेरेंट्स आर नॉट सपोर्टिंग?
आई थिंक ये एक्सेप्टेंस लाना कि आउट ऑफ एजुकेशन भी कुछ एक फील्ड हो सकता है, नॉट जस्ट स्पोर्ट बट एनीथिंग, कि आउट ऑफ एजुकेशन भी कोई फील्ड हो सकता है जिसमें हमारा बच्चा यू नो ही और शी कुड एक्सेल टू अ लिमिट कि वो इंडिया रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, दे आर विनिंग। देन इफ यू सपोर्ट इट एट अ रियली स्मॉल एज और यू नो बेयर मिनिमम भी आपका सपोर्ट रहेगा अगर, इट वुड रियली हेल्प द चाइल्ड। एंड एज फार एज इट्स कंसर्न, यस आई थिंक एटलीस्ट प्राइमरी एजुकेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। मैंने भी अपना 12th तक किया है, घिस घिस के किया है, always been an average student, nothing 80 85, always between 65 to 75. I think 7th grade is the turning point, and वहाँ then from 7th grade मेरे को बहुत clear था कि you know पढ़ाई backseat लेगी। I made my parents understand through my achievement. At times it takes time, you know, when I even after doing everything India, when I went abroad सब कुछ बहुत shiny नहीं था, it took me a while to establish myself then. बट आई थिंक ये बस कॉन्फिडेंस पेरेंट्स को रखना, यू नो कुछ ना कुछ एक चीज बैक सीट ले सकती है। आई नेवर वेंट टू स्कूल ऑन अ डेली बेसिस, थैंकफुली द स्कूल वाज सो सपोर्टिव अबाउट इट। बट आई थिंक अगर किसी में अपना 100% देना है ना, फिर वो दूसरी जगह आपका थोड़ा 0% ही होता है। When I'm home, when I was studying, हाँ okay, then there is my 100%, और वो मेरा 100% सिर्फ 75 तक ही हो सकता है। When I'm at writing, then I am at writing, you know, वो मेरा 100%, I will make it to 200 if I want, because उसमें मेरा इंटरेस्ट है। So you know कुछ एक चीज बैक सीट लेती है, we should be happy about it, you know, 100 चीजों में 50 करने से बेटर है एक चीज में 100 करके you're going somewhere.
Makes sense. And अभी हिटलर की बात करें, आपको पता नहीं इंसिडेंट पता होगा कि नहीं कि हिटलर को आर्टिस्ट बनना था, लाइक ही वाज फॉन्ड ऑफ पेंटिंग,
Okay.
बट जो उसके पेरेंट्स थे उन्होंने बोला कि नहीं यू शुड नॉट डू पेंटिंग और ये सब चीज़ें।
Okay.
सो जस्ट बिलीव कि इफ ही वाज एन पेंटर तो अभी वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 की हिस्ट्री भी कुछ और होती।
Truly.
सब वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 के लिए हिटलर रिस्पॉन्सिबल है या उसके पेरेंट्स, ये सोचने वाली बात है।
Probably parents then. They were the one to push it. So otherwise it would probably.
लाइक जो
would have
क्रिएटिव
been a great
एजेंसी थी,
painter.
क्रिएटिव जो उसकी पावर थी वो डिस्ट्रक्टिव पावर
Yeah.
कन्वर्ट हुई है। सो लाइक पुटिंग दिस थिंग अपार्ट, व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट यूथ स्पेसिफिकली, so what one word you use to charge them on?
I always say this कि जाग जाओ. Literally जाग जाओ. It is a now or never time. And I think I always say this everywhere that भारत अब अपने लेवल पे हाईएस्ट ग्रोइंग इकोनॉमी की तरफ जा रहा है। हम वर्ल्ड में पॉपुलेशन में नंबर 1 है, और हम अब नंबर 1 कहीं और तभी हो पाएंगे जब हमारा यूथ लिटरली अपनी आंखें खोल के देखे कि वी आर भारत। यू सी, बिकॉज एवरीवन एल्स इज गिविंग यू द प्लेटफॉर्म। एट टाइम्स यू विल हैव द प्लेटफॉर्म, बट you will not have the power or the resources or anything to do it right now. We are in highlight, so why not make the maximum use out of it? You know, I always say कि ना opportunities are always going to come and go, but हमारा the whole point of us is to recognize those. If we sit back and be like हाँ यार next time, हाँ यार next time, there might not be a next time. So it is really important that when people are pushing you, you know, they're making youth icon, literally page hai by the Ministry Youth Icons of India.
Okay.
There is no old age icons of India, there is no early bird icons of India. When you know the world, the government is giving you that sort of crown that you are the youth, make use of it, make use of your powers, shape your future. हमारे left and right का future, it is important because for tomorrow you have to think today. You know, हम ये बहुत live in the moment वाले situation में रहते हैं, which we should, but at least 10% तो हम future का सोचें, क्योंकि कल आगे और फिर सोचें अरे यार कल का तो सोचा ही नहीं था। So I think they should really, और मेरे बोलने से आपके बोलने से they should not charge up, they should realize this whole thing on their own. जैसे अभी when I was coming in the car, I was hearing this thing by my FM that वोटिंग इज आवर राइट। मिनिमम राइट है हमारा यार, इसको तो बताने की भी जरूरत नहीं होनी चाहिए कि यू नो ये हमारा राइट है, मेक यूज ऑफ इट। I am going on a horse tour when there is election का ये voting thing
अच्छा
date. I have my flights booked to come back home only to give vote and fly back.
ओके
Because I live in France, so I can only go and vote in the France embassy. But unfortunately, I'm not going to be there. I'm traveling everywhere around. Or when we're going for horse shopping, it's small villages. It's better than I've made sure that I'm flying back. That is how seriously I take my right. कि नो भैया आई हैव टू मेक श्योर कि अगर ये अपॉर्चुनिटी है मेरे पास और ये राइट है मेरा, तो आई जस्ट डोंट सिट बाय एंड बी लाइक हाँ ठीक है एक वोट ही तो है, या हाँ ठीक है क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है। यू नो मेक यूज ऑफ इट, टेक I always say, I went on this talk and I told the youth that please take yourself seriously. I don't believe in this vague formula or this mantra of life कि don't take yourself seriously. Then you don't take yourself seriously. फिर चार लोग और they don't take you seriously and then you cry about it कि वो मेरा मजाक बनाता है, वो ऐसे करता है। अरे you're giving them that leverage. खुद का reign is in your own hand. If you let it loose, everyone else will let it loose. They will have a perception about you in their mind because you have created that perception. Now you cannot keep blaming the other guy कि भाई मैं तो ठीक है, मैं ऐसा बोलता हूँ अपने बारे में, वो क्यों ऐसा बोल रहा है? Then say it in your own room. Or if you are okay with it, then be okay with it everywhere.
Yeah. हाँ वहाँ पे फिर उसमें बात
ये
है
hypocrisy की नहीं, मैं नहीं तुम नहीं, भाई don't give that person the right. Take yourself seriously. If you want, nobody will. Nobody will take yourself seriously. May it be your parents, may it be your partner,
Yes.
may it be your best friends. You know, everyone at home knows that Sudipti has a set life. She will do this, and that is how it will be. There is no change in my routine. It is a very basic mundane routine. चाहे वो उठने का टाइम हो, चाहे वो
At
vacation
what time you
हो.
wake up daily?
When I'm home, there is no time. It's usually 9:30. I wake up. I either go to the gym in the morning or I do my gym at night. But when I'm there, usually I try to wake up between 6:30 and 7.
So now there is one more important aspects like talk about. What is your specific routine of diet that you follow, or that you should give an advice कि like सबको ऐसी ही डाइट फॉलो करनी चाहिए और एटलीस्ट इस चीज़ को तो अपने फूड में इंक्लूड करना चाहिए?
I mean, there is no specific one ingredient I would say, but usually हमारा Indian food is very good and it is very nutritious. The one thing that I really enjoy a lot is my green smoothie, like I said. It does not
And
taste.
what's the recipe of that?
It is. It's spinach, cucumber, pineapple, half an apple, chia seed, ginger, little apple cinnamon powder, water, or coconut water depends on me. Lemon, 2 halves or 1 depending on it. And then of course you make a juice out of it, rinse it, and then I drink it. Eat. And sometimes I add haldi. I think that haldi बहुत when you take it, हमारे Indian food में all of this is already inculcated. You know, we take turmeric and all the other spices, which is internal healing for our body. There I don't eat so much, which is क्योंकि I can't do so much Indian cooking. मैं कम टाइम में मैक्सिमम प्रोटीन खा के जिससे बस मैं सो पाऊँ रात में जल्दी, because I can't have 3 meals which one should. Life थोड़ी बैलेंस नहीं रहती, but turmeric is one thing I would say you know we should inculcate, because if I'm not eating it then I add it in my smoothie. I don't care however it tastes, but then at least it's going inside my body. And usually लोगों को ऐसा लगता है that you know I saw this reel कि घोड़े वेजिटेरियन खाना खाते हैं and वो any day हमसे ज़्यादा पावरफुल है. तो ऐसा कहीं लिखा नहीं है ना. It is a fact that if you eat only eggs or chicken that you will get more protein. 100% it's easier. I believe it's 100% more easier to cook. Indian food is very complicated to
Are you a
cook.
vegetarian?
I'm not a vegetarian,
Okay.
but I'm little by little I'm shifting to it. There I don't get, because I enjoy lauki, ginki, tinda, kaddu.
You enjoy it?
Favorite. Bhindi, patta gobi, gobi aloo. I don't get it there. So then I have to be on my avocado toast or something, bean and rice, normal. Then I eat what I get. But in some way there's some sort, a flavor I enjoy घर का खाना. roti I only eat when I'm here. Yesterday I had one, literally एक और रोटी ही खाई थी. Otherwise I don't take roti at all. But rice is my main staple food. But I think Indian food, 3 time खाना good. And maximum thing I think, you know, whatever we are eating, 100% diet is very important. But more important is fruits and juices. And by juices I don't mean कि बस to break the sugar out. क्योंकि fruit को हम जितना break करते हैं, then we make it into juices. It's not helpful. It's best to eat fruits as it is. And maximum what I do is I try to eat by 8.
Okay.
Max to max. Even if I'm going out, I eat at home and then I go out.
Okay.
But maximum, you know, you don't have to eat maximum by 8. 8:30 on a very Saturday night or something. When you're home and you feel like, okay, ठीक है, कल तो Sunday ही आराम से cooking कर लेते हैं. And I think you know, you have to divide your thing into, you know, सुबह good breakfast, lunch, because I'm always running. I have like a sandwich wrap or something. And then at night you have, because I'm usually on a one meal thing. If I don't get in the morning, then you have good amount of protein at night, rice, beans, or if you're doing some anything. But with my food is always some curry or rice going on.
Yes, and when we talk about it, 8 you eat. So like ये तो हमारे हिस्ट्री में भी लिखा है, जो महावीर वगैरह है, उन्होंने स्पेसिफिकली मेंशन करा है. इसका रीजन ये रहता है कि like जो फूड रहता है फिर वो डाइजेस्ट होने में,
because you eat and then you sleep, then it's going to waste. ये प्रॉब्लम है. हम खा के then we're converting it into fat quite literally. Because I eat by 8 and then I'm doing all my house chores. Then it's also, and then I have a lot of green tea, all like literally unhealthy sort of green tea goes into me because I'm a really tea drinker.
Okay.
But by 8:30 maximum, you know, it should be done ताकि body को भी rest करने का, system को भी rest करने का थोड़ा time मिले.
Makes sense. And अब इन सब चीज़ों में like you have got a proper identity of a true woman, what she can actually achieve. So like women empowerment में any specific message you would like to give to the girls who want to pursue their dreams. So what message will you deliver specifically to the girls?
I think women don't realize their own capability, and this is, you know, abhi it is not to bring the men down, because two halves make a whole. And people who have gone on with feminism have taken such a wrong idea of it that now if I say I'm a feminist, people will think I'm stupid of having ideas of putting men down. Which is not like that. I don't want to be a man, I'm a woman. I don't want to be like that. But feminism in general, I think it is about the basic concept of just being equal. Cerebrally. Physically, we cannot be equal. By biology, we cannot be equal. And there is no right or wrong कि अगर, you know, if there are two partners, बीवी पति के लिए ज़्यादा करती है, पति बीवी के लिए ज़्यादा करता है. This other day I was looking at this reel. जब भगवान ने अपने खुद के पैर टेक दिए थे अपनी बीवियों के आगे, तो भाई नॉर्मल इंसान अगर कर रहा है तो why do we give it a bad name? Then we say कि नहीं, she is a feminist and you know she is being like that or she is being like that. You know, we take it into a whole another deal and then we make it so complicated that the whole actual point of it is cerebral opportunity and equality. कि mentally we are same. Maybe we have different traumas, we have different ideologies, but mentally that if A can be a CEO, B can be a CEO irrespective of their gender. If he is a winner, she can be a winner. That is about it. And I think the most important message to women is to understand कि हमें कितनी 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 शक्ति है. And that by शक्ति I mean the word literally शक्ति. अभी नवरात्रि चल रही है, हम किसकी पूजा कर रहे हैं? The number of female goddesses that we have, it is unreal that we as women put and bring ourselves down. It is always good to be a homemaker. It is not a problem. That is a job very difficult. It is very good to be a CEO and to be a homemaker, or to choose one and do it. It is all right. ये to make a ideology कि नहीं, you know, only they can do it or only she can't do it, then you're just mixing the messages and you're making it complicated. just keep it plain and simple. दो लोग हैं, कोई भी घर चला सकता है, कोई भी घर बना सकता है, जिसकी जैसी इच्छा है, quite literally. And for the, I say it a lot of times, don't teach your women to be fragile or to be strong. Teach the men to understand that women are equal and you need to treat them with respect. The end. We are not the same, we will never be the same. Men and women are different and they will always be different, and we should identify that unique, and it is such a beautiful thing that we are different. That is it, for women to know that their own worth, that is it. We have this great blessing by God that we can get another human being into on earth, on this planet earth. We are the sole creator of another human being. That is magic happening. We should realize it. Every woman is doing it like this. We don't realize it. That is a great gift given by God. Realize it. It is not easy.
Perfect. Like the idea. And one more thing I have got in my head. कि like the way Martin Luther King once said, कि like उनकी पूरी स्पीच जो उन्होंने दी थी उस टाइम पे, which made him a president, उसमें एक चीज़ सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे लगी उनकी स्टेटमेंट, I have a dream. सिर्फ इतना सा एक स्टेट थी कि जिस बोलते कि लाइक उसी लाइन में उन्हें प्रेसिडेंसी के लिए इलेक्ट करने में हेल्प करा था. सो लाइक इफ आई टॉक अबाउट योर लाइफ, सो व्हाट वन वर्ड डू यू वांट लाइक पीपल, इन लोग इन चीज़ों को सुन के मुझे रिकॉल करें, एक वर्ड.
So difficult to just sum it up, but I think जैसे आज हम जैवलिन के बारे में सोचते हैं तो by the end नीरज चोपड़ा पे दिमाग जाता है. I think if someone thinks about horses, घोड़े, मैं अपनी पूरी स्कूल लाइफ में no one, if you go to the garden you say Sudeepti, they will not know, they will say घोड़े वाली दीदी, they will know. So I think that is something I would want to be known by, a horse girl, or a, you know, this dad made a story about me, girl on a dancing horse.
Okay.
So you know, that is something that I would want. That,
So he wrote that story.
Yeah, he does his own thing for me.
Okay.
He has his own ideas for me. But I think if people think about horses, if they think about anything related to horses, the first name, the first face should pop up, should be
Okay.
me. Because this is my life.
Hmm.
This is my one dream. This is my one life. I literally can't do anything else. If I tomorrow put to some other work, I won't be able to do it, and I know that reality. So this is only one thing, one dream I can do wholeheartedly. I think that is what I'm working for, and it's best है कि मुझे लोगों से इसे याद रखना.
Makes sense. Perfect. Beautiful. And at last, what message you would like to give to all the audience?
जितना लोग बोलते हैं that impossible also says I am possible, उसको बोलने की जगह to believe it. Because it means by I am possible, it means you. तुम अपना भला सोचोगे तो भी खुद का भला होगा. I think that is the, and you know, no matter there's so many things that one can do in their life for others, but not everyone will recognize it and not everyone would understand it. But the one thing you can do is never say bad about anyone else and never think bad about anyone else. And just because you're thinking of your own good, there is no way that if you say something bad about someone, of course everyone's furious at times, but खुद का भला सोचो, खुद का अच्छा करो, खुद का ही अच्छा होगा. दूसरे का बुरा बोलने से खुद का अच्छा कभी नहीं होगा.
No, that's amazing. So, thank you so much, Sudipti ji, for coming on our show. And I hope you have got amazing, valuable insights. Now, stay tuned to our show. We'll share more podcasts to you again and again. Thank you so much. Jai Mata.